I don't even know where to start with you. I mean, do you even know who you're talking to?
Hi, I'm Cade,
I'm Josh.
and we're freshmen and part of Malvern Robotics.
We've had a really great time this year, and we're excited for what the next 3 years have to hold, despite the limitations that COVID's put on the robotics process. Hi, I'm Josh, and I'm on the game design team, which is a new challenge that First introduced this year, where we had to design a game that they could use in future competitions. And just like any other part of robotics, we had to brainstorm, we had to think, and we had to expand on our ideas as the season went on. We had the idea of Mount Olympus for ours, so that's why we have the cloud and the pillar and the very Greek architecture around it. And we learned a lot about 3D modeling and working with CAD software and making all of the objects that are on the field other than the field itself and the glass. And that was a lot of fun to have that new aspect of a competition that hadn't been here before in First Robotics.
Hi, I'm Cade, and I'm new to Malvern Robotics this year. I had a great time this year, and I learned a lot. Earlier this year, I actually took Intro to Programming, and it was really cool to see all the applications in Malvern Robotics, like working and calibrating a stream potentiometer here, and also learning to code and write the autonomous code for the robot.
Grass grows, birds fly, sun shines, and brother, I'm a force of nature.
This trophy case is a side project me and Joe worked on last semester. We built it both to hold trophies and also learn how to program. The programming came in the RGB light board. We programmed it to display phrases that scroll across the screen. We also have a monitor up there at the top, powered by a Raspberry Pi, that displays images and sound.
Hi everyone, my name is Joe Verrecchia. I'm just going to talk about the drivetrain for a little bit today. So this drivetrain is really one of the first things that Billy and I built here. It taught us a lot of valuable things and taught us how to use a lot of the tools here in the shop. Next up, we have the new shooting mechanism. So yes, this is new to our bot this year. In previous years, we were only able to shoot at the low goals, but this year we wanted to shoot the high goals. Yeah, on here we have the string potentiometer. This measures the distance that the string is pulled out, and it allows us to get the perfect angle for the shooting mechanism.
Basically, kind of a big deal. Oh man, that's beautiful.
I'm Alex, and I'm the head programmer of Malvern Robotics.
I'm Sean Newman. I'm the head mechanical as well. Alex and I have both been on the team since our freshman year, so we've been on this team for 4 years now. So since my freshman year, I've worked with a lot of the great students and mentors throughout the last 4 years, and the Robotics Club has been a great place for me to interact and talk with kids who I normally wouldn't have been able to talk to or gone out of my way to even interacted with, such as seniors and even freshmen this year. Especially during COVID, when opportunities are very limited to interact with other students, it was a great place to sit down and just hang out and work through our build season this year. For me personally, the Robotics Club has been an amazing experience every single year. It's definitely changed my career path and boosted my way towards a more mechanical and engineering built majors, such as aerospace engineering and mechanical engineering.
For me, the club was really cool to see how various things I learned in AP Computer Science were applied to an actual bot, and seeing how real code is used in a real application outside of the classroom. And that got me into the programming team, which I became the head of. I thought it was also really cool to see how various teams at competition use various vision recognition programs, so that led me into the field of machine learning and vision processing. And ultimately in college, I want to be a data science major as a result. This club has given me a lot of great memories, especially on Saturday build sessions where we just made a lot of friends and got closer to people who I normally also wouldn't talk to. These past 4 years have been a really cool hands-on experience that have made me become more confident when I'm going into college. It will help me be a better utility on a team or a better team member.